this video, you will learn how to navigate within the Maintenance Diagnostics computer, or MDC, which is installed on the Bombardier Challenger 300 aircraft in order to access LRU fault data. In the cockpit, there are two cursor control panels, CCPs, and two multifunctional displays, MFDs. For this lesson, we will use the equipment on the right-hand side. Here, the CCP is in the area within the red square. The CCP contains the controlling device used to select information and the buttons which are mapped to certain functions. We will review its basic operation. First step is to access the system. This is done by pressing the fuel, anti-ice, and ECS push buttons at the same time. The CCP controlling device is the joystick. This allows for up and down movement of the cursor. Left and right movements allow for previous page and next page selection. The Enter push button selects an item on the maintenance page. The TRWX push button returns to the previous menu. As initially discussed, we enter the system by pressing the fuel, anti-ice, and ECS buttons at the same time. Once this is done, we will enter the maintenance main menu, where we will be able to select the current faults, current service messages, or aircraft history by toggling the joystick and moving the cursor. As the cursor is moved to the various available menu selections, the lettering changes from white to magenta, thus identifying the cursor position. Here we will select current faults on the main menu. Pressing the Enter push button will supply a list in real time of all failed LRUs. The display adds or removes maintenance data as failures occur or are corrected. There are 4 LRU entries per page. Multiple page numbers are indicated in the top right-hand corner. Moving the joystick to the right will advance to the next page. In this next step, we will use the joystick to highlight a fault. Pressing the Enter push button will show the Advanced Diagnostics page for the selected fault. This page shows detailed help and troubleshooting data. It also shows the LRU name, LRU status, ATA chapter number, and name. We will return to the main menu by pressing TRWX push button twice, then highlight and select Current Service Messages. This takes us to the expanded service message list. There are a maximum of 4 service messages per page, identifying ATA, LRU, status, and service message. These data files provide information in real time. We will highlight and select a service message, and by pressing the Enter push button, we'll open the Advanced Diagnostics page. The information displayed here includes LRU, LRU status, ATA number and name, as well as detailed help for troubleshooting, similar to the Current Faults Advanced Diagnostics. Again, pressing the TRWX push button brings us back to the main menu, where we will highlight and select aircraft history. Pressing the Enter push button will display fault history or service message history selection. Press the Enter push button for fault history to expand the page. Fault history information includes ATA chapter and name, LRU status, component ID, date, time, phase, and leg.